Good morning, students. The topic of today's video is cleanliness around us. I have taken this from EVS book and this is chapter number 4. Our surroundings must be clean for us to live a healthy life. It is our duty to keep the air, water, and land around us clean. As you all know, we have to keep our surrounding means हमारे चारों तरफ साफ रखना. Let's read. Cleanliness is the first law of health. I'm showing you some clippings, some slides, and I will ask you which one will you like. The first picture you can see. The first room is very messy. All the things are here and there. Yes, and the second room shown, all the things are at their own places. So, which room will you like most? The messy room, the first room, or the second room? I know your answer. You will like the second one, the after one. The next slide is, the first room is messy and the second one is properly clean. Each and everything is at their own places. Now the next clipping, as you can see, the same thing. Which one you like? Obvious, the second room, which is clean. Yes. The next one is, two cupboards are there. The first one is properly arranged and the second one is messy. So, which one you like to prefer? Yes, the first part? Yes. Let's start reading. Cleanliness of our homes. Keep things at their right places. First of all, everybody should learn to keep the things at their right places. From wherever you take the things, your toys, your books, you have to keep the things at their right place after using that, whether it is toys or your books. Okay, now the second is, room should be swept daily. आपका रूम डेली साफ होना चाहिए. रूम डजेंट मीन्स योर ओनली रूम. पूरा घर, जितने भी घर में रूम्स हैं, एवरी रूम शुड बी स्वेप्ट डेली एंड मोप शुड बी डेली. द थर्ड वन इज, कीप द टॉयलेट्स एंड बाथरूम्स क्लीन. एंड वी शुड keep our toilets and bathrooms clean too. The fourth one is, throw the garbage in the dustbin. We should throw the garbage in the dustbin only. We should not litter anywhere. No, that is very wrong. Nobody likes the house or the place which is dirty. And the fifth one is, rooms should be airy. In wherever you are living, those rooms, those houses should be airy and there should be a proper light, sufficient light should be come inside. Okay, now let's move to the next clip. Cleanliness of public property. What is public property? That is roads, trains, buses, street lamps. Do not throw paper, plastic bottles, wrappers and other wastes on road. I know Indians have a very bad habit of throwing anything on the road. Plastic bottles, they drink water and throw the bottle out. Wrappers eat the things, chips, and throw the wrappers on the road. Yes, I am correct. I am right. The second one is, do not cut down trees on the roadside, as we need greenery to survive. That's why we should not cut trees. We should not throw any paper, plastic on roads. And the third one is, do not allow the water to stand in one place. It means कि हमें पानी को कहीं भी ठहरते हुए नहीं रहने देना चाहिए. इससे क्या होगा कि वहाँ पर मॉस्किटोज बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे एंड इट स्प्रेड द डिसीज. ओके, all the pictures you can see, I have put the cross on the pictures. The first boy is throwing the banana peel. The second picture is throwing the water bottle out of the car. The third one is the boy is throwing the wrapper outside the bin. And the next one is throwing the cans out of the car. These practices and these habits are wrong. We should avoid throwing the things on the road or trains or buses. It should be stopped. We should throw the garbage or waste in the bins only to make our world clean, to make it live. Okay, now the next one is care of public places. Public places means parks, zoo, picture halls, markets, bus stops, railway stations, beaches etc. Public places means जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, आप जाते हैं और भी दूसरे लोग आते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट अ प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी और हमें उसका भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए. द फर्स्ट वन इज डू नॉट स्पिट ऑन पब्लिक प्लेसेस. पब्लिक प्लेसेस पे कभी भी ना थूकें. द सेकेंड वन इज डू नॉट लिटर. As you can see in the picture, in the first picture you can see a litter everywhere. We should not litter. The third one is do not throw wrappers, bottles or paper in public places. I rather suggest you to throw the wrappers, bottles and papers wherever you are. Put it in the dustbin. After using anything, if it is waste, throw it in the bin. And in the second picture you can see a man is spitting. Do you like the picture? No? So we should not spit outside. Okay? Now, cleanliness in the classroom. Throw paper and pencil shavings in the dustbin only. Whenever you are in school, you have to shave the pencil and you should throw the pencil shaves in the dustbin only. Now the second one is arrange desks neatly and properly. We should arrange the desk neatly. Third one, do not spill food and water. Whenever we are eating in recess, we should not spill food और वाटर. स्पिल का मतलब होता है फैलाना. खाना खाते हुए गिराना नहीं है और पानी भी फैलाना नहीं है. द फोर्थ वन इज डू नॉट स्क्रिबल ऑन द डेस्क और वॉल्स. वी शुड नॉट स्क्रिबल ऑन द डेस्क. Many students have a habit of scribbling on the desk or the walls. As you can see in the picture number 4, the girl is scribbling on the walls. Do you like that? No, it doesn't look nice. So we should avoid to write on the desks or walls. It makes the desk and walls dirty. The fifth one is do not run or play inside the classroom and passages, gallery. We should not run or play inside the classroom. We should make the class clean and we should not disturb the sitting arrangement. कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं कभी डेस्क को यहाँ खींच दिया वहाँ खींच दिया. We should not do this. We should avoid that practice. Hope you will follow all these rules of cleanliness. Thank you.